What's up guys, it's your boy Hieroglyphics, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the Puig windscreen for the 2021 Yamaha MT-09. Here it is. You got a minimalistic motorcycle in the front, nice little packaging, and yeah, let's get into it. But before I start, do me a favor guys, smash that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel. It's going to help your boy out a lot. Alright, let's get this thing unpackaged. Alright, here it is. You got these brackets. These brackets are actually going to come off and be installed first, and then you're going to go ahead and reinstall the actual windscreen. But the quality seems very nice. I feel like this matte area is going to scratch pretty easily, although they do claim that their windscreen is pretty scratch resistant. I'm not sure if they're referring to the actual screen part or the side area, but I guess we'll find out. I think it's going to look pretty good on the bike. I really wanted the Yamaha OEM windscreen, but Yamaha has been so delayed on all of their items that they kept canceling my order for the windscreen, even though it says in stock, after saying out of stock for who knows how long. So I decided to just go with the Puig. I still think this looks nice, and it is going to be more functional. They actually include a diagram that shows you guys some wind tunnel testing images between the stock. You guys could actually find this on their website. So basically this is an airflow and pressure comparison. There's only 2% protection in your helmet with the stock one compared to 4% protection with the Puig. Then upper body protection is 11% on the stock and then 20% on the Puig. And lower body protection is 26% versus 42% on the Puig. So you can see there exactly how much more the Puig is protecting. So it doesn't seem like it's that much, but it is a decent amount, I guess. Another thing to mention is that the rider position is standard, so they're not really tucking down. They're, you know, in a standard upright position. So I'm sure once you tuck down, this windscreen is going to do a lot of work, which is what I'm sure we all want. This is at 94 miles per hour. This rider is 5 foot 9 inches. The temperature is 68 degrees Fahrenheit. I guess that plays a role in pressure and wind. So according to these numbers, the Puig protects quite a bit more than no windscreen at all. But I'm sure these numbers will change as you tuck down behind that windscreen. So that's what I'm looking forward to. Sometimes when I'm riding on the highway with my friends, that wind is just blasting me to the side, and it's not fun. Then they have their installation manual, which is fairly simple. It says it'll take up to 15 minutes for one person, but I think it'll take a lot less time than that. They also do include a poster of MotoGP rider Marc Marquez, which is pretty dope. I actually didn't know that they make windscreens for MotoGP. Puig. You also have 4 bolts in the bag to install the bracket, so let's get into it. Alright, so first off, let's get these bolts off the front headlight cover. These actually won't be used anymore. We're going to be using the ones provided with the windscreen. Make sure you place the washer back. There's little washers in between each bolt. You have to make sure you place them back. 2 of them always stay stuck for some reason. The other 2 constantly come off. So we'll put that right there. Let's go ahead and grab the windscreen because we need to undo the mounting brackets, and there's 3 pieces that go in here. There's going to be like a little rubber grommet, a little damper, and this little plug that basically comes off to reveal the bolts. So pull off all the plugs. All right, so we want to get the Allen key, loosen up all the bolts. All right, so it seems like the little rubber grommet, as well as the I forgot what that thing is called, but basically there's 2 pieces already in there. I guess you don't need to worry about that. They already installed it for you, so that should make everything much easier. Now we move on to the other side. There we go. See, this piece is the one that I'm talking about. There's already a rubber grommet in here, and then you need to attach this other piece inside. Make sure those don't fall out. Just push them back in. It does tell you which is left and which is right. Right, left. So make sure you install the washer that comes with the bike. This one already stays on. I don't know why the top one just comes off by itself, but I guess. All right, so let's get that left bracket installed. Make sure you put that washer back in there. One more touch on each of them. Make sure they're good, solid. All right, so bracket is on. Guys, remember, you have this little tiny piece that goes inside there. That rubber grommet is already installed. If this piece falls out, make sure you put it back in, like so. Make sure before you tighten everything down, just to mount all the bolts on it first, just to make sure everything lines up. All right, everything's tightened. Be careful not to let your hand slip so you don't scratch anything. Now, last thing to do is pop the little covers back over the bolts. Just pop them right on there. Make sure they're on there good so they don't fall off. Now we can take this off. Looks pretty nice. So originally I wanted to get the dark smoke one just to have a little bit more visibility, but that was actually sold out along with the light smoke, so I just went with the black. So let's see from this side. I think it fits the bike pretty good. It goes with the lines pretty well. All right, now the next thing we got to do is take it out on the road and see how it feels. Let's see how much wind this actually deflects. All right, guys, there's the install of the Puig windscreen for the 21 MT-09. Hopefully it provides some actual wind protection. Doesn't have to be anything crazy. It's still a naked bike. It's not going to be out of this world, but I'm hoping for at least a bit of a difference. If you guys liked the video, found it helpful, drop a like, comment, subscribe to the channel. It's going to help me out a lot. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.